It's been almost a month since Access Bank PLC's Group Managing Director and CEO, Herbert Wigwe, his wife, son, and 3 others tragically passed away in a helicopter crash in the United States. The Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau has received the preliminary report from the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board on the incident, detailing the reasons for the death. The report highlights the helicopter's fragmentation of major components and mentions a mix of rain and snow weather conditions on the day of the incident. We have Captain Alex Bade Jr., the Director General of the NSIB, to provide further insights into the incident and discuss measures for the Nigerian aviation sector to prevent such mishaps. Good to have you join us.
Thank you, Precious. Very pleased to be here.
Now, as the newly appointed Director General, what are your expectations for the Bureau, and then what plans do you have to enhance the aviation sector's safety?
All right. Well, as the newly appointed Director General of the NSIB, my direction and goals for the Bureau are aligned with the Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development's vision and the NSIB's commitment to excellence in enhancing safety in the Nigerian transport sector.
So, I mean, the tribute service for all of the Wigwe family members have been ongoing for a while now, since Monday, which is yesterday, and people really want to get information as to what really happened. Can you share more details about the preliminary report that you received from the National Transportation Safety Board?
Sure. Well, first of all, I'd like to express my heartfelt condolences to the Wigwe and Ogunbanjo families who lost their loved ones in that crash. As you said, rightfully so, the NSIB is collaborating with the NTSB on information sharing to understand the full picture of this accident and implement the necessary safety recommendations. Without speculating, I can only discuss what we know from the preliminary report right now, which of course highlighted the fragmentation of the major components of the helicopter and the discussion around the challenging weather conditions that were encountered on that night of the accident.
It is a really heartbreaking development, but one that is not isolated. Considering that particular report, and it mentioned the effects of the weather condition of February the 9th, what lessons can the Nigerian aviation sector draw from this tragedy, especially when you also consider the recent report also from NIMET on dust haze and others?
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, with this, as with any flight, thorough pre-flight planning, thorough weather briefing, and constant reassessment for pilots as we fly is essential to the safety and, and timely completion of any flight. This incident underscores the critical importance of thorough pre-flight planning, so pilots need to always be prepared to adapt and divert their course if weather conditions deteriorate. Additionally, it's vital to ensure that aircraft are operated within their certified limitations. In this case, this specific type of helicopter involved was not certified to fly in icing conditions. And furthermore, VFR flying, which is in aviation, visual flight rules at night, is prohibited with this helicopter unless special training and equipment are installed. And through the report so far, the NTSB has not mentioned if said equipment was installed on this helicopter.
And just in 30 seconds, if you can answer this for me, we know that Asaba Airport has said that it is going to work on its land system to ensure visibility even when you have such dust hazy weather. Is that something that you'll be looking to do, or you'll be advising the Ministry of Aviation to do around all the airports in the country?
Yeah, I believe the Minister is already on that track with the rest of the team, the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, the Federal Airports Authority, and the Nigerian Airspace Management Agency. I know that there are significant investments being made to upgrade all the airports and the instrument landing system all around the country. So I know the minister is really working hard and pushing the rest of the team towards that direction.
We continue to follow that development, especially for the death of members of the Wigwe family. We're looking forward to the in-depth analysis of that report. Thank you so much for your time. Captain Alex Bade Jr., Director General of the NSIB.
Thank you, Precious.